Good morning. My name is Antharya Jholan. I will tell you about upcoming event in Sital Academy. It will be Navratri celebration. In upcoming days, Sital Academy will celebrate Navratri enthusiastically. Gulista Maidan will be hired by it. It will bring a famous band for celebrating Navratri. It will be a huge stage and various types of instrument like sitar, guitar, flute, etc. It will decide the dress code for us. We will wear the traditional clothes like kedia, kurta pajama, chanya choli, etc. We will enjoy a lot and have a lot of fun. It will be a great function which will be organized by it. We will be very happy after that function. Thank you.